Start. Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about the types of chemical reactions. In previous classes or previous videos, you must observe the combination reaction, which was already discussed. Now, the second type of chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. As the combination reaction indicate the combination of two or more substances to form a single substance, and this composition reaction is just opposite of first one, that is combination reaction. As decomposition reaction indicate the one big molecules, one big compound, one big substances decomposed into two or more smaller substances. So one big compounds decomposed under certain conditions. That conditions depending upon the temperature, that may be electricity, that may be light. So decomposition reaction, first point, it is opposite of combination reaction. So sometimes it is also known as or called the opposite of combination reaction. As in combination reaction, two molecules combine to form one molecule. Here, the one big molecules decomposed into two or more substances. And second point, one big compounds decomposed under certain conditions into two or more smaller compounds. So conditions may be heat, electricity, and light. So on the basis of these conditions, decomposition reactions may be classified into three categories. The first one is called thermal decomposition reaction. As its name indicates, thermal is related to heat. So upon heating, heat is required. And one thing you must know, that generally decomposition reaction is endothermic nature. So heat is required in the form of upon heating, this is thermal decomposition reaction. The example, calcium carbonate. This is the symbol of heating. So upon heating, calcium carbonate is decomposed into two smaller compounds. Here calcium carbonate is one big molecule, big compound, and it is decomposed into two smaller compounds, that is calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So here heat is required for the decomposition of calcium carbonate. Then another example, as sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Upon heating, sodium carbonate, CO2 is formed. So The first type of decomposition reaction is called thermal decomposition reaction. The second one is electrical or decomposition. So it is due to passing electric current. The compound is decomposed. As for example, and the process is called electrolysis. Electro means electric current. And lysis means Lysis, lysis means to break down. Hence, suppose the electrolysis of water, it means when electric current is passed in water, it is decomposed, broken down into their corresponding molecules, that is hydrogen and oxygen. So this decomposition, this is also a type of decomposition reaction, but here the molecule of water is decomposed into hydrogen and oxygen by passing electric current. This is why that it is electrical decomposition. The third one is most important, that is photo decomposition. Photo decomposition reaction. You know that photo is related to, photo means light. So sunlight, when any compound receives sunlight, the packet of energy in the form of photon is able to break the compound into their corresponding molecules. The best example is silver chloride, AgCl. This is silver chloride. The color of silver chloride is white. When it is exposed to sunlight, this silver chloride decomposed into silver and chlorine gas. Chlorine gas is now the color of solution becomes gray. For examination point of view, this is very important question. It is generally asked in the examination. Sometimes it is also asked, okay, why do we keep silver chloride in dark colored bottle and keep in dark place? Due to, if it is exposed to sunlight, it is converted into silver and chlorine. It is decomposed, hence it is kept in dark place. आपने हो गया, छोड़ो, बंद करो, अब दूसरा आ जाएगा.